These are the radioisotopes which are used in a cancer patient for curing the cancer. Radioisotopes means it's like an injection, but radioisotopes means having the radiation in the medicine. So it helps destroy the cancer cells. Because of having the radiation in the medication or because of having the radio-opaque like substance in the medicine which given to the patient. This medicine we have to maintain certain distance of gap from the patient because of having the radiation in the medicine, so it affects the normal person. That is why we have to maintain gap from the patient. Because of radiation are spread and it affects the normal person also. This procedure is known as the brachytherapy. It only destroys the cancer cells, not the normal cells. Patient is having pain with this radioisotopes? Yes, patient is having pain with this procedure. As well as because of the radiation, patient are losing their teeth, hair. It affects the fertility, blood count, and it affects the veins as well and overall body of the patient. It can be delivered through injection, drink, or implant also. Or we can directly put this radioisotope when having the cancer on a particular site like uterus cancer. It delivers high dose of the radiation to the tumor. While delivering high dose of the radiation to the tumor, while minimizing damage to the healthy tissue also. It minimizing damage to the healthy tissue. It can be given to the various cancers like brain cancer, bone cancer, thyroid cancer. In the thyroid cancer, iodine 131 for the thyroid cancer. In the thyroid cancer, iodine 131 is given. The thyroid will absorb the radiation and it will help destroy the cancer cells. The radium 223 for the bone metastasis. I am giving certain examples. These are the radioisotopes we are giving for the certain cancer. So I am giving you certain examples. This radioisotope travels through the bloodstream or directly implanted near to the tumor or on it or onto. The radioisotopes emit radiation to destroy the cancer cells. I hope you understand the information. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a daily notification on this channel. Thank you.